Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Nisha ji. We are studying class 9 science 4.1, that is charged particles in matter. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, तो आप channel को subscribe कर लीजिए so that you get regular updates regarding video uploads. So for understanding the nature of charged particles in matter, हम कुछ activities करेंगे, right? So first activity 4.1 देखते हैं. What we do, you can comb your dry hair, okay? And then you take small pieces of paper. तो आपको देखना है क्या ये comb उन small pieces of paper को attract करेगा? ये आपने means in your childhood you might have tried to do this, okay? और आपको क्या करना है? Rub a glass rod with a silk cloth. ठीक है, एंड ब्रिंग द रॉड नियर एन इन्फ्लेटेड बैलून. तो आपको ऑब्जर्व करना है व्हाट एक्चुअली हैपेंस, राइट? So from these activities we can conclude that on rubbing two objects together they become electrically charged. Okay, now we have to see where does this charge come from. Okay, so this question can be answered by knowing that atom is divisible and it consists of charged particles, right? See, many scientists, they contributed in revealing the presence of charged particles in an atom. काफी scientists ने work किया था इस पे. So it was known by 1900 that the atom was indivisible particle but contained at least one subatomic particle, okay, the electron identified by J.J. Thomson, okay. Even before the electron was identified, E. Goldstein in 1886 he discovered the presence of new radiations in a gas discharge and called them canal rays. He told them canal rays. So these rays were positively charged radiations, okay, which ultimately led to the discovery of another subatomic particle. This subatomic particle had a charge equal in magnitude but opposite in sign to that of an electron, okay, and its mass was approximately 2000 times as that of the electron. So धीरे धीरे ये developments हुई इस तरह से, okay, things came into existence. It was given the name of proton, okay. In general electron को हम represent करते हैं E minus से और proton को P plus से, ठीक है. Mass of proton is taken as 1 unit and charge को हम लेते हैं +1. Mass of electron is considered to be negligible, बहुत कम है, and charge उसका हम -1 लेते हैं, ठीक है. So these are some developments which took place in history, right? So it seemed that an atom was composed of protons and electrons, ठीक है. This is the main thing. Protons और electrons आ गए mutually balancing the charges, ठीक है, कि जितने positive charges हैं उतने ही negative charges हैं, तो electrically फिर हमारा neutral हो जाएगा complete atom, okay. Now, it also appeared that the protons were in the interior of the atom, for whereas electrons could be easily removed off but not protons. So protons काफी interior में हैं और electrons बाहर वाले portion में हैं, right? Now, big question was like what sort of structure did these particles of the atom form? ठीक है? So we will find the answer to this question in the coming lectures, right? Thanks for watching the video. Fill up the form for joining the one-to-one session, right? And if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe, Learn with Nisha ji, and stay tuned.